Hello everyone, welcome in the next tutorial. So step by step we are moving forward and we are learning different tools which are available in the PowerPoint presentation, and I hope you are in line with that, and you are also practicing and downloading of all of the resources which I am attaching so that you can practice it very well. So currently in this tutorial we are going to learn about this word art. Why word art? First of all, some of the time it may require that you want to add artificial or artistic text in the slide. Currently, as you can see that in current slide, which is prompt engineering, so we want that let us a little bit change the text, heading text with the help of the word art. So if you can go under the home tab, after that it is available as an insert tab. If you click on this text box, it will be just a small simple text. In past, we have sometimes used this text box, but now it is time to use the word art. Word art has a facility to update your text in artistic way. Generally, whenever we change the text as a different font, but it may not contain all different types of artificial artistic images like you just assume. But now if we will go through that, then after you will understand it very well. So let me go in the insert tab, and under the word art you can see that n number of different kind of tricks or graphics are available. If I select this and if I place it here, you can see the difference how our this your text is here is look like, and our original prompt engineering. Now we want to change the art, but we let us first of all try different word art available. If I click here, Ctrl Z, and I will just paste this here. You just see what is the difference. Okay, so for trial purpose I have downloaded two, but we are going to use another word art which is called as this one, where I want to have a 3D effect. So I will click here and I will directly write down prompt engineering. Okay, and we will directly remove whatever we have downloaded. Let me now remove this. This also we will remove, we don't require, and this one also, and we will just drag this to top of the part. Now you can see that this is the magic of the word art. Ready-made features are available. So here as usual the same thing. If you want to change the fill shape online, you can do that, but in this tutorial only we are going to use some images in the word. So you just wonder that how it is possible, but yes, it is possible. So either you can use the gradient like this. You see this is the shape fill which is outside of the text. Okay, and this also. So there are random, I am just selecting, there are n number of gradients are available. Okay, this is called as a shape fill. I am just doing undo, so Ctrl Z, so that again I come back to our original design. And here we, as I said, we want to have a text inside this image. Sorry, we want to have an image inside the text. So I just speak little bit different. If I select this and if I select this yellow color, you can see that this is change, color has been changed of the font, but we want to have picture inside that. So we will just select the picture from file, and under the download let us assume that we want to select this image. You can see the image inside the text, you can easily see, right? But the image is not properly visible, so let me do undo, Ctrl Z, and I am showing you some another trick. We will just select this prompt only where we want to have an image. Let us select the picture from file, and randomly I am selecting, let's say, this one, and you can see now the text has been just written down under the prompt only. Now we are going to increase the size of this prompt. You just see the result from. Okay, let me reduce little bit. And engineering, what we can do, we can directly segregate this engineering, Control X and Control V. The text has been segregated. Now it is not looking good, so we have to little bit trick. So just wait for a minute, I am doing that. So we can increase the this text size also. Select this increase the size, and we have to shift this to little bit bottom side, and again we have to increase, control all, prompt engineering. Okay, so this is the beauty of ready-made available word art. So I hope this is clear to you how this looks like. Now it is, I think, good. But here, due to the background color or 3D effect, our image is not properly visible. So what we are going to do, we are going to remove the text effect. Okay, shadow, no shadow. You can see now it has been removed, but still there is the border which is text outline. So I am going to select no outline. Now you can see that it contains the letter with the image. So this is the way how you can add the image in particular text. And we have also understood about the smart word art which is available in this insert tab. So I hope this is clear to you how you can do. So in this next tutorial we will improve over this slide. So be with the course. Thank you.